Can we see hidden mentions in Instagram story? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about some things like can we see hidden mentions in Instagram stories? So if someone has mentioned you, but you can't find it, so we'll just go ahead and find out how to. So if someone mentions you in an Instagram story, you will usually get a notification saying you've been tagged. But if you can't see it, there may be few reasons why that could happen. So the first thing may be because the person who mentioned you maybe has a private Instagram account. So that may be the reason why if they are mentioning you and if you're not following them, their story will be hidden from you and you won't get notified. Sometimes people also mention you in the story and delete it. So that may be the reason why you are not getting any kind of notifications. So if it's gone, it's gone. Sometimes the Instagram can be also a little glitchy, so you might not get a notification. So what you can do is reset your Instagram and see if that works or not. Or you can also manually search for your username to see if that pop-ups in anyone's story. So for now, these are the way. While Instagram does not have a direct way to see hidden mentions, these are the main reasons why you may not be able to see a mention in someone's story. So just make sure you're following the person if the person is private, has private account, and keep an eye on your notifications. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.